Hello everybody, welcome back. Let's have a look at some of these coins then, and more of an expectation of what what we're going to go through the weekend. But before I do that, I just want to get it on record, alright? You go onto YouTube at the moment, these top YouTubers, alright, look, this geezer, Crypto Jeb, I'm sure he's got value. Oh, he's gone bearish, has he? Yeah, it's a little bit late for that. Okay, what are you saying? What's this guy saying? Crypto Newton. Oh, he's bearish as well, is he? Oh, what's this guy? He's very popular, clearly. Yeah, are you bearish now? Yeah. Look, just for the record, I'm not bearish, but I've been calling for this consolidation now for quite a little while. And, these guys, they've got a responsibility, alright? We're not financial advisors, these YouTube guys. I'm not a financial advisor, but people will watch these videos and take it, I suppose, on face value. And they will. Some people use your analysis to basically invest their own money. And then on top of that, some of these guys, I think most of them, they've all signed up to this Bybit affiliate link. Bybit is it's an exchange, but it's not really. It's more of a margin trading platform where you're attached leverage to your hard-earned crypto. And essentially, if you're new to this, you're likely to just lose it. All right, especially if you take on what they've been saying. They've flipped bearish. These guys, they've all flipped bearish today. I've noticed when I got on YouTube, but you're a little bit late for that. Okay, yes, we are clearly bearish now. But you should have been saying this a few days back or even a week ago, which is what I've been saying. The idea is you're supposed to be ahead of this. You're supposed to be forecasting, a realistic approach to what's coming in the price action. You're not supposed to be saying, oh yeah, there is red candles now, therefore we are bearish. Come on, guys. These guys are getting a lot of views, and they get, I'm not jealous of their views, but I just think it's kind of irresponsible the way that they manage their YouTubes and basically push the hopium and push their affiliate links onto everybody. I mean, I have links that you can click, but they're not affiliate links. They're things that I use, and actually, I'm not getting anything more than what you would get if you were to use them. I could, if I wanted to, set up an affiliate account with some of these people, and I get offered sponsorships all the time for me to push products on people. But it's not responsible, right? I've got a Telegram chat, and there's people, we all talk in the Telegram all the time. But people do message me individually, and occasionally I get I get speaking to somebody, and they're hanging on your every single word. They will do anything that you say, and you have a responsibility. These guys and me have a responsibility not to lead people down a dark financial pit for the sake of literally just a few dollars that you will get from an affiliate link. Very irresponsible anyway, it's my opinion. It's a bit of a rant anyway, so let's have a look at what's going on with the price action. This is as best as I can give it to you at the moment. We have a very strong box here of support here coming in at the bottom here, 17,150. We also have this here, which is a descending trend of resistance. We've not broken above it yet. So at the moment, as we're moving into the weekend, traditional markets don't trade over the weekend. It often allows Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies to take on a life of their own for 24 hours anyway, and most of the time they go bullish. So I am expecting some moves up, but this is the move I would expect. I would expect to range no higher than this descending trend, and probably no lower than this downtrend here, than this support level here, which actually doesn't look much, but this is a $2,000 range. That's a big range. Don't think we'll be maxing out the entire range over the weekend, but whichever way we do go, I would be perhaps, and this is me again, I'm responsible. I'm not asking you to follow what I'm doing, but my plan would be to try and short these resistances or long from these supports until we break out one way or another, which in my opinion will be to the down. We're not going to get too excited over holding any of these positions too long. We will I will long from here, I will short from here, but I will take profits accordingly. Even though I do expect this to break down, it may not, it might break up. This is a nice range. It's a $2,000 range, and if I have the opportunity to play this range, this is how I'm going to be doing it. Anyway, after the weekend, as this consolidation continues to gain momentum, and the reason we know that is because on the daily we have all these moving averages crossing over the center of the Bollinger Band here. These will all act as resistance, pushing us down as well. So we've got resistance here, we've got a blue box of resistance, we've got these moving averages, all of them now resistance, and they're all coming into this zone here. Now, for whatever reason, if we did break above 18,650, then we would easily come back up to here. And actually, reclaiming these and closing above those levels could even allow us to even break up and push all the way above. But at the moment, I'm not really seeing that kind of price action. If we go to a 3-day, and this also has relevance. Currently, the 3-day is still bullish. All right, it's still bullish because we're above the 10 exponential, we're above the 21, we're above all the other major moving averages. The only one that we've broken down now is the 7 simple, and that's on the 3-day. Okay, so the 3-day could, even at this point, could move up. All right, it's not this. Currently isn't consolidating on a 3-day chart. It's not consolidating, so on the longer time frames it's not written in stone. It could move from here. We will likely close above this, which is still bullish. Closing below this on a 3-day, which is 17,700, would not be as bullish at all. But again, we're still above here, which is around 16,000. So if we have a look on some of these other term timeframes on the weekly, what do we have here? 16,000 is the 10 exponential on the weekly. So 16,000 also comes in at this blue box territory here at the bottom of here. This big wick also 16,000. So 16,000 is an area where there could potentially be a bottom and a reversal that could continue up to make new all-time highs. 16,000 is an area of interest for me more than any other at this point. The others will find bounces, but I don't think they'll find continuation. Because in order to get down to this bottom zone here, you know, or to break down from this, we will likely come down to this, which is in many ways that is your 16,000 zone. Let's have a look at the other indicators here. So we've had, I suppose, bullish divergence on the daily for quite a while now. We've got bearish cross, and we've got an increasing speed of the histogram here on the MACD, which is also bearish. The money flow index is trickling out, and I would expect now that there's probably going to be less buyback pressure than there was previously. So there's always going to be people buying the dips and long in the dips, and you know, I will be part of one of those people. Well, I'm not going to be holding on to those dips. Now let's have a look at some of this. This is the not the be all and end all, but it's a good indication of what retailers are doing at the moment. Obviously we all know that CME futures is net short, but they will be closing soon, so they won't be trading in the next few hours. It will just be these guys, and at the moment they're net long by 70%. So this brings us nicely into what's likely to take place over the weekend. When CME futures obviously close, stop trading, suddenly there's a lot more buying pressure automatically as the retailers take the lead. They're the ones who are basically driving the steering wheel at that weekend. So the chances are we will start to move up over this weekend. As we come into the end of the week, whether we see it on Sunday or if we see it Monday or Tuesday, the red will continue into December, in my opinion, and you know, this is how we're going to be playing it out. So that is my honest opinion of it. So as you can see, I'm not ultra bullish, I'm not ultra bearish. I'm playing within a range, and I'm not trying to sell you anything that's going to damage your futures. And I hope you take that for what it's worth and recognize that when you see it on some of these other popular, very popular YouTubers. Anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you have a nice evening. Take it easy.